Good morning, my dear students. I am your English teacher. Welcome to my English class. Dear students, in this class we are going to read and enjoy the poem Hiawatha. So, in today's class we are just going to recite the poem. So, Hiawatha, this is an unknown name to you. You have never listened to such a name. So, Hiawatha was a young red Indian boy. He lived with his old grandmother. Now, Hiawatha is an Indian boy who lived with his grandmother. Nokum is in a wigwam. ठीक है? Nokomis taught Hiawatha about the wonders around them. So, Nokomis, the grandmother of Hiawatha, who taught about the amazing things in the world. She told him about the stars, the trees, the insects, the birds, the animals, and many other things. My dear students, what did Nokomis taught? Who is Nokomis? Nokomis is grandmother of Hiawatha. Okay? And she always taught the amazing things in this world. How the birds sounds, how the animals move ahead their family, and the sounds produced by the animals, and so many things about the skies also. Why the sky is blue, why the stars are shining, why the trees leaves are different from each other. So all these things are taught by Nokomis to Hiawatha. Okay. So here is a topic, Red Indian Boy. Red Indian Boy means an Indian boy whose color is not red but he is somehow black. ठीक है? हमारे देश में हमारी जलवायु के अनुसार हमारे शरीर के जो रंग होते हैं वो अलग अलग होते हैं बेटा. आप अगर कहीं जर्मनी चले जाओगे, स्विट्ज़रलैंड चले जाओगे तो वहाँ पे देखोगे कि सबके शरीर के रंग एक जैसे होते हैं, परंतु हमारे देश की जलवायु कुछ इस तरह के होते हैं जहाँ पे हमारे शरीर तत्व भी निर्भर करती है. कोई गोरे रंग के लगते हैं तो कोई सांवले रंग के लगते हैं. तो रेड इंडियन बॉय मीन्स ही इज़ ए बॉय who is not completely black, not completely white, but this is the in between color between that. Okay. Hiawatha grew up to love them all. He could talk to the birds and the animals and they to him. And as Hiawatha learned everything from his grandmother named Nokomis, so he feel that the wonders of the world are so amazing. He learned how to talk to the birds, how to talk to the animals, and the birds and animals are also talking with Hiawatha. So just enjoy this poem. Then the little Hiawatha learned of every bird its language, learned their names and all their secrets, how they built their nests in summer, where they hid themselves in winter, talked with them whenever he met them, called them Hiawatha's chickens. So this is the first paragraph. We need to recite this poem once again. Then the little Hiawatha learned of every bird its language, learned their names and all their secrets, how they built their nests in summer, where they hid themselves in winter, talked with them whenever he met them, called them Hiawatha's chickens. Of all the beasts he learned the language, of all the beasts he learned the language, learned their names and all their secrets, how the beavers built their lodges, where the squirrels hid their acorns, where the squirrels hid their acorns, how the reindeer ran so swiftly, why the rabbit was so timid, talked with them whenever he met with them, talked with them whenever he met with them, called them Hiawatha's brothers. This beautiful poem is written by H.W. Longfellow. So please recite this poem. Every student has to recite the poem 3 times, and after completion of this task, you should message that, "Ma'am, I have read this poem 3 times," and send it in class group. Thank you very much.